CX Semi-Automatic Sticker Labeling Machine. This model labeling machine is suitable for round bottle, jar, can, etc. Both paper sticker label and transparent PVC label are available. Machine has two labeling operation modes. Semi-automatic labeling operation mode. Our labeling machine has passed CE certification and complies with GMP standards. Adjustable for different diameter, different height of bottles and jars. Machine is easy to operate with a high speed and high accuracy labeling performance. Reasonable design, good machine quality, can adapt to long-time continuous work. Automatic labeling operation mode. Machine can label one labeling, also can label front and back two labeling to bottles. Can be equipped with date stamp printer, make labeling and printing at one machine. Machine will have 2 whole year warranty. Technical support will be offered forever. Thank you for your watching. Please do not hesitate to contact us for machines further information. CX Pack, your trusted ideal packing machine supplier.